What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2004 Infiniti I35 and the check engine light is on. Let's check it out. We have code P1446 for vent control valve. We also have EVAP very small leak P1456 and EVAP gross leak or large leak P0455. The vent control valve will open and close the EVAP system. It could potentially be stuck open, giving us the EVAP small and large leak codes. The vent control valve is on the front of the canister right behind the rear driver's side tire.